Hello, good afternoon.
Yeah.
Myself Hema and I'm from Electronic City. I'm doing my pharmacy in St. John's College. So we have seen Sir's interviews and many videos through social medias and many of the television, and we came across here. And my grandfather personally, he is a paralyzed person. So once we came here with all the medication, like he was on more medication, and we came here and met Raju sir. He has given the supplements, prebiotic, everything, and he assured us like there will be a like more like possible results, and we have seen in 1 month. And we have suggested grandmother. My aunt is also there. My grandmother also had kidney stone, fatty liver. So everything has been normal now. We have break down the medications, and they're living happy and they're more active after taking.
Now you tell me your grandfather how actually is now when compared to earlier after taking a
Earlier,
miracle
he
drinks
was like-
treatment.
Yeah, earlier he was like so like he was feeling difficulty in the movements, like he has paralyzed left side, so he was feeling difficulty in movements. Like now he's more active. He can walk more. He drives the car for so long. He can come back to Dharmasthala and all.
Very good. How old he is?
He's 60 plus,
60 plus.
and he does not look like grandfather. He's so young man,
Okay.
and he's like, we can see the results.
Wonderful. In which month and year he has taken my treatment?
I think last year.
2022
Yeah, 2022 from
December.
Yeah, exactly here.
Okay, no worry. So for how many months the resultant effects he has seen?
Within a month.
Within a month.
Within a
Wonderful.
month. For 3 months he has taken the medicine and he has stopped and he is healthy now. He is continuing the prebiotic, maintaining the diet.
That means only that home remedies he is continuing.
Yeah, he's taking only home
He has
remedies.
stopped even miracle drinks also.
Yeah, he's
Wonderful.
stopped.
Great.
It was of only 3 months course. He has taken, he has stopped, and is going with the prebiotics and the diet followed by the same miracle drinks.
Your grandfather's name is
Nanjundappa.
Nanjundappa. His age is 60 plus.
Yeah, 60 plus.
Okay, wonderful. From Bangalore.
Yes, Bangalore Electronic City.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.